Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Scorpio people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. This is your current energy, Scorpio, and this is your partner's current energy, Ace of Pentacles. It seems like you are dealing with some earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. If I talk about these two cards, it seems like both of you are on the same page. Both of you are about to start something new in life. Okay, so we have Page of Pentacles, Scorpio, this is your current energy, and we have Ace of Pentacles, this is your partner's current energy. So the first time I'm going to read these two current energies together. I feel that both of you are willing to start something new in this relationship. The way you are putting your efforts, the way you are putting your time and energy in this love or with this person, you are definitely wants to start something with this person. On the other hand, if I talk about your person's current energy, with this Ace of Pentacles card, it seems like your person would like to spend some quality time with you. They would like to take you out somewhere. It could also happen for some of you, Scorpio, that your person must be thinking to start something new with you. Okay, or to take this relationship on a next level. So something is there for both of you. It is a sign of a new beginning. New beginning in this relationship, new beginning in this emotion, new beginning in this love. If I talk about the current mutual energy, so let me just pick a card for the current mutual energy. Is the Outsider. Okay, see, very much clear, very much clear. Scorpio people, you and your person was very afraid to take certain action towards each other in past. Okay, as you can see, this kid is standing just with the close with the gate. It means this kid wants to move out from this gate. Okay, and this lock is also open. So both of you have got this clarity that we belongs to each other. This is a soul connection. We cannot live without each other. We love each other very much, and we should take a stand. Now, for both of you, you have took this stand and you are out from this cage or from this gate. This is the reason for both of you. You are experiencing some kind of a newness in this relationship, some kind of a beginning in this relationship. Something new is about to happen for you, Scorpio, in this relationship, and for your person as well. Now let's see, Scorpio, what your person thinks about you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Guilt, turning in, breakthrough. Wow. So your person is seeing you as somebody who is very guiltful about something. It could happen that there must be a big fight between you and them and you are feeling sorry about it. Or it could also happen for some of you, Scorpio, that you must have been or you must have experienced some bad and abusive relationship in past, and you gave your all to that particular person or particular relationship, and that thing is making you really sick and tired. You feel sorry about your contribution, you feel sorry about you. Okay, so that's how your person sees you, that this person is going through some guilty factor or some sorry factor in his or her life. Okay, if I talk about the turning in card, if it seems like your person is surrounded by negative energies, people around them are poking them or taunting them because they are connected with you. Okay, it seems like people do not want them to be with you, and they are blabbering about you, they are talking nonsense about you. But the best part is that your person is not responding them. Okay, they are calm, they are at peace, they are poised, they are not giving any kind of attention to such people and such energies. And this is the thing which is which they are doing right now. They know what they want and they want you. Okay, so this is the action which they are taking towards you right now. And the future is breakthrough. It seems like when they'll be done with this turning in card, when people will stop, stop telling them, hey, do not talk with this person, with the Scorpio, they are not good for you, this and that and blah blah blah. So the moment all these negative energies will be out from their life, they are going to take a solid step towards you. And as I said, they can they can take a solid step towards you. They can offer you some marriage proposal, or you can experience some kind of a newness or new beginning in this relationship. Okay, so breakthrough is definitely you are going to experience from their end in future. So yes, something solid is coming towards you. All the very best, Scorpio. All right, so Scorpio, some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and we have air sign also in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Scorpio people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.